So last time I talked about the constant rain in Rivers State, and of course today is Sunday. What's today? The 26th, and it's still raining. Like, it's raining currently. Now, wow, thank God it didn't rain for me yesterday, Saturday. Thank God say no rain, rain no force, better sun and shine, better sun. So now SOK has gone out as usual. So let me call her and know how she's doing, because most times when it rains like this, business don't slow for SOK, and she go don't buy snacks and stuff like that. Me, I still there out. Let me call her. Let me know how she's doing. Man, my eyes are swollen from sleep. I slept so early last night. SOK is not picking, but I know she will call me. I know say she will call me once she see my call. She's calling me back, guys. Hello, SOK. SOK. Isn't it SOK? Hey, how you doing now? I don't go church. I dey house. How you doing now? The rain dey fall. I say I call you, ask you how far now. I don't go church. I don't go church. It's okay. I dey house. Okay. How you dey? How the market now? No wahala. Okay, no wahala. I hope so you cover yourself well. Dear Kolo. Okay, okay, all right, no wahala. Take care, yeah. All right, ma. It's okay. She can be a very positive woman being. She say God there, she go sell. Oh, Rivers State and rain, oh.